I went to an Asian supermarket on my way to work, and I saw they had lumpy water, Ben.
Chewy water is back.
And so I thought, it's been long enough since we had some chewy water. Maybe it's actually the best.
I actually quite like the chewy water.
So, do you want a big mouthful of chewy water?
Yeah, baby.
Do you want to just chew it up?
Oh, is it the same kind of chewy water or like a different brand of chewy water?
I can't remember what the previous one was, but I think it's the same because I'm pretty sure on the bottle it does say so chewy.
You can't really tell because of the green screen, but there are bits in it. It's weird, isn't it? Because look, it kind of my face is now the back of the green screen. It's blue. It's blue this time, which is a less appetizing color than like the red.
Yeah, I purposely the other ones. There was like a sort of like lemon-looking one.
Oh,
there
yeah.
was a
Food-looking one,
a strawberry-looking one, and like an orange-looking one. I was like blue.
like no food is.
Like no food. Yeah, and so thought that would be a fun little treat.
Perfect. Thank you for my present. I assume you've already had yours.
Oh yes, definitely. Definitely have already. Nom nom nom. And you know what? It made me feel great. I feel so much better because I had.
Did you also pour it over a stomach full of goop?
Yeah, sadly not. Sadly, but I'm pretty sure it will cure what ails you.
And gravy. Gravy's not intended to be drank, but it's definitely a drink.
I've drunk it.
As Tom's
I've drunk it,
tales
baby.
have proven.
I've drunk it, but. So chewy.
That's chewy. It's not as chewy. The chewy bits are smaller
What?
than before. I mean, it is still chewy. And it is definitely blue flavor.
Yeah.
Tastes so blue.
Really?
But the smaller chunks.
Okay. Oh God.
Is it gross if I... So small.
So small. So blue.
That's
So
small
chewy.
Small chew.
Wow.
I don't think you've had your recommended daily allowance of blue
Oh,
today,
Ben, but I've
Tom.
already drunk my whole.
Oh, you had a blue one as well.
Definitely. That's why I could really. No, you've got no color
No
at
blue
all.
tongue.
Yeah, they need stronger food coloring in this.
Well, you know what? Even without the chewy, I just had a little sip there to not get chewy parts. Even the water is like fairly viscous, even without the chewy parts. It's got
Okay,
like
fuck, let me
more surface
let me
tension
go back.
than you're expecting.
You just see the things floating around, and it looks like that's got mold grown in it.
It's not malt though. It's delicious.
I know
chew.
it's delicious.
It's delicious, flavorless chew.
Oh, it doesn't say so chewy. It just says gotta chew.
God, you gotta
Like a
little chunk.
warning. Gotta chew. Don't drink this down.
Don't forget to chew. Don't forget to chew.
It is blue flavor.
I actually want them to be like 5 times bigger, the chewy pieces. I want them to be like grapes or blueberries.
That's a choking hazard for sure.
Well, gotta chew.
Okay, yeah. If they're saying gotta chew. I think there's bigger bits on the bottom.
Oh, give me. I want my big bits. I want my big chew.
Oh my God. So much. How's the chewing going? I feel like you're doing a lot of chewing.
Gotta chew.
You gotta chew.
I feel like I'm chewing my way to the surface. You know when sometimes you dive a bit too deep and then it takes you longer than you're comfortable with to get back up to the surface.
Right.
That's what that was.
Oh my God.
You were visibly watching a man worried he was about to drown for a couple of seconds.
Just so chewy. Holy shit. Okay, pal. Amazing. Delicious.
Mmm. I love to eat my drink. Thank you for finding and resurrecting one of my favourite Tom and Ben's.
Just chewy water. What a good time. You did very well. Well done. Round of applause, everybody.